Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Confirm Bluetooth support and charge levels because low battery can block discovery. Once ready, open settings and switch Bluetooth on, then enable visibility or pairing mode on the accessory so it advertises itself. Make sure devices are within a few meters and remove obstacles. This improves signal quality. When done, you'll see nearby device names populate. Don't pair yet. Verify the names match the device label to avoid connecting to the wrong gadget. Now you actively pair. On your primary device, tap the accessory's name from the scan list because selecting the correct entry initiates security checks. Once tapped, confirm the PIN or accept the pairing prompt. Many devices use 0000 or 1234, but modern ones show a code to verify. Match it to avoid spoofing. After approval, the system exchanges keys and displays pairing progress. Make sure the accessory shows connected status. If not, retry the selection and reinitiate discovery. Finish by configuring roles. Set the connected device as audio output, input, or file transfer target so the system routes data correctly. Once set, test playback or transmission to confirm functionality. If it fails, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then use forget or remove device and pair again. This clears corrupted keys. If problems persist, update device firmware or drivers and try pairing with another host to determine whether the accessory or your device is at fault. This isolates the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.